I'm comfortable.
All right, so today we're going to talk to, this is Michael, and so Michael, tell me a little bit about yourself here.
Yeah, so I own a company, we're a safety consulting company, so we're primarily to the pressure washing and the window cleaning worlds, so windowcleanersafety.com and pressurewashersafety.com. We just finished up today at Jack Kramer's event here, the window cleaning and pressure washing Northeast Conference. We just did a class today. We had about 30 people involved, and what we're doing is trying to get them up to speed on the OSHA guidelines for OSHA 1910, the general industry standard. And so, yeah, we just completed that class, and just glad to be here.
And how did you get into this, Michael?
So I owned a window cleaning business, pretty large, in central Illinois, and so we had a lot of compliance that we had to put in place. And then so I sold that company in 2014. Started really studying the OSHA guidelines and all this stuff, and just got it really in my head and in depth. And then, yeah, we had an opportunity to bring this thing up about a year and a half ago now, and it just took off like wildfire. There's a big need for it. And
so how often do you do your training classes?
Well, it just kind of depends. We do a lot of private stuff. We go out to companies, the bigger companies that have a lot of people. We do those, and then we do a public one like this where we ask people to register and come in. Generally once a month, but certainly the private classes keep us pretty busy too.
And how important is this to get OSHA certified?
Oh, it's very important. I mean, OSHA's language is that specifically with fall hazards, that employers can't subject an employee to a fall hazard without having some documented training, and they lay it out very well in 1910-30 of the things that have to be trained. And so, we try to just push that and make people aware of it. And yeah, it's vitally important. It can cost a business owner a lot of money by not
make them go out of business. I'm sure
it could. It's real.
All right. What do you what would you tell a new pressure washer or window cleaning that they would need to know about this kind of stuff, safety stuff about it?
Yeah, we try to break it down because it is kind of cumbersome. I mean, that general industry standard in its entirety is several hundred pages of document. But the biggest thing we tell people is OSHA's motto is to plan, provide, and train.
You mean it's not to try to do something after you did the fact?
No, you want to get that stuff set up beforehand. So that's part of the planning process. So you plan your work, you provide the necessary equipment, and you also provide the training to the hazards. So plan, provide, train. If you're doing those things, you're going to be in pretty good shape.
Awesome. And where can we find you at again?
Windowcleanersafety.com.
And you say you do classes. How expensive are the classes, just to kind of give them a general idea?
So our general OSHA 1910 class that we teach runs around $150 in a setting like this, and then we also offer rope descent systems and high-rise training as well. But all that can be found on our site, and also we do some safety manual stuff, write safety manuals for folks, weekly safety meetings. We own a JHA app, Job Hazard Analysis app. And so we're kind of a full-service safety consultant company.
Sweet, sweet. Well, thank you for being on my channel, and I appreciate it very much.
No problem. Thanks for having me. I appreciate you.